Welcome everyone back to Mr. I Weather Updates. Now today, there's going to be, there's going to be plenty of rain today to end 2024. It's going to be quite stormy, it's been quite windy as well. We have a warning for wind and a few warnings for rain. There's an amber warning for rain, which we're going to have a look at in a minute. You can see here there's already heavy persistent rain here for Scotland. This is an amber warning area, which we're going to have a look at in a moment, which is going to be giving heavy and persistent rain for this area. Fortunately, this is affecting, obviously, New Year's plans, so this means some New Year's plans will be cancelled, may not be suitable weather for fireworks. But you can see here there's a band of rain pushing in my area in the north, which is going to give quite heavy rain actually to come, so we'll have to see what happens there. Now the temperatures, not decreasing yet, still around, but a bit above average. You could see still 10 degrees. This will be only decreasing for tomorrow, so we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Now we're going to have a look at the amber warnings. Now the amber warning for rain is already happening really, but I'll still go through it though. So you can see here, still got heavy rain which will be developed through Monday night and then to Tuesday morning, so it's happening now really, which will be causing some property flooding and travel disruption. Spray and flooding may lead to difficult driving conditions. Homes and businesses may be flooded. A good chance of communities may be shut off or cut off by flooded roads. Delays and cancellations of trains and bus services, fast flowing or deep floodwaters likely, causing homes to be flooded. Power cuts and loss of services are likely. You can see here, after a brief dull Monday afternoon, there is a period of heavy rain which will be developing into Monday night and persist. This is a persistent heavy rain into Tuesday morning, which is now. This could give 50 to 70 millimeters of rain, which has already fallen. Obviously, that other weather warning we had a look at, and we still have yellow rain warnings and snow warnings in force for this, along with this weather warning. And this weather warning, let's just have a look, has a medium likelihood and a medium impact, means it could be likely and it has an impact. And we still have a rain and snow warning. We actually have a snow warning for far north of Scotland, which is Shetland areas. We haven't looked at this yet, so this is a period of persistent snow will be expected through the new year, which will be giving some travel disruption. Some roads will be likely to be affected by road and bus services. Snow will push across Orkney Island across the early hours of New Year's Eve. This will be continue north to Shetland Islands. This will be rain will temporarily turn to snow will temporarily turn to rain in the Orkney Islands area, and then back to sleet, then snow. So there's a band of sleet which will be returning. As snow returns south, sleet and snow showers will be expected throughout the night. So 2 to 5 centimeters are likely. Alright, so this has a medium likelihood and a low impact. We've already had a look at most of these weather warnings. I don't know if we ever looked at this one yet. This is another weather warning for rain. Again, northwest systems still could experience flooding. According to this, we could still see 30 to 50 millimeters, and 100 millimeters are possible in some areas with a low likelihood and a medium impact. So I would give you time to actually read this, because this will obviously take a lot of time of my video, because I want to get through the UKV. So I'll have a look at it in a moment. So having a look at this, we can see here we've got some further heavy rain and snow mixed in there. You can see very unsettled for Scotland. Still could see persistent rain. You can see here some heavy rainfall developing into northern England, which is quite persistent as well. It's staying there, so we could see that. We still have some further snow showers that could push in north, maybe giving some snow showers as well briefly. With some further snow showers in the east, with plenty of snow showers in the Scotland, maybe even spilling north. South. You can see here, could even see some on Friday. So you can see here, snow is not too far behind. On Friday, you can see here we've got a band of cloud moving in. So not much sun at all. So I have to see what happens there as well. Now, looking at the temperatures, you can see here again around 10 or 11 degrees. You can see 12. We could see here that we'll be starting to see a change into the night. as we see into tomorrow, the mild end starts to push away and we start to see much colder conditions. Starting to around average conditions really, maybe a little bit below, just the mid single digits. However, as we get into further into the year, you can see here -4, -5. Getting in, everyone is getting to minus digits. You can see -6 for a time in a localized area. A hard freeze is possible even. You can see here in tonight of Friday. You can see a lot of -4s, -5s are possible in the south even as that moves south. On to Friday, Saturday, slightly warmer, but still getting a little bit, still quite a bit below average. 4 or 5 degrees is possible in most areas. Otherwise, again, another frost night to come. If we have a look at the UK GFS, sorry, you can see that area of low pressure, which is bringing cold air and some snow as well, giving a destructive new year. How is this going to look? Well, let's see how long this cold air is going to last. It is lasting for a long time, for a few weeks actually. You can see some mild air is trying to push in, but it is trying to. It's gradually trying to. I think it's trying to for quite a few weeks actually, but otherwise, it is going to be quite cold for a fair few weeks. We could even see significant snow. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and Happy New Year.